Speaking Part 1. Questions and answers on 3 different topics. Losing things, color, and memory. Topic 1. Losing things. Question 1. Are you someone who often loses things? Answer: not really. I usually keep my belongings organized to avoid misplacing them. However, there have been rare occasions when I've misplaced small items like keys or a pen. Q2. What do you usually do when you lose something important? Answer: I try to stay calm and retrace my steps to figure out where I last had the item. If it's something very significant, like my phone or wallet, I'll immediately inform the concerned authorities or take necessary action. Q3. Why do some people frequently lose their belongings? Answer: I think it's mainly due to a lack of focus or being too preoccupied with other things. Sometimes, people are in a rush and don't pay enough attention to where they place their items. Topic 2. Color. Q4. What's your favorite color and why? Answer: my favorite color is blue because it has a calming effect on me. It reminds me of the sky and the ocean, both of which symbolize serenity and freedom. Q5. How do colors affect your mood? Answer: colors have a significant impact on my mood. Bright colors like yellow and orange uplift my spirits, while softer shades like pastel green or lavender help me relax. On the other hand, darker colors can make me feel reflective or even slightly melancholic. Q6. Do you think colors are important in daily life? Answer: absolutely. Colors add vibrancy to life and can influence how we feel and perceive our surroundings. For instance, the right choice of colors in clothing or home decor can enhance our mood and even boost confidence. Topic 3. Memory. Q7. Do you think you have a good memory? Answer: I believe my memory is fairly strong, especially for important events or details.